Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Today you will be learning new topic, that is common nouns and proper nouns. Dear children, you would have learnt nouns in your previous class. So firstly, we'll take a quick revision of nouns. What are nouns? Names of people, places, animals or things are called naming words, and naming words are also called nouns. Here you can see the examples: girl, doctor, father and teacher. These are names of persons, and names of person are called nouns. Temple, park, hospital and school. These are names of places, and names of places are called nouns. Tiger, elephant, cow, dog. These are names of animals. So, names of animals are called nouns. Chair, ball, television and clock. These are names of things, and names of things are called nouns. There are two types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns. Common nouns are general words for person, places, animals or things. And proper nouns names for particular person, places, animals or things. So let's understand through some examples. So this is the first example. Here you can see the picture of a girl, and the specific name of a girl is Anna. So girl is a common noun and Anna is a proper noun. Second example, this is a picture of a park. Park is the name of a place, and the specific name for a park is Sanjay Gandhi. So park is a common noun and Sanjay Gandhi is a proper noun. Here you can see the example of animal. It is a name of animal, and the specific name of elephant is Bhalo. So elephant is a common noun and Bhalo is a proper noun. Here you can see the picture of a city. It is a name of place, and the specific name of this city is Mumbai. So city is a common noun and Mumbai is a proper noun. It is a picture of a book, and the name of a book is the Bible. So book is a common noun and the Bible is a proper noun. Here you can see the picture of stadium. It is a name of a place, and the specific name of the stadium is Wankhede. So stadium is a common noun. Since it is a specific name, so Wankhede is a proper noun. The last example is, here you can see the picture of dog, and the specific name of a dog is here Tuffy. So dog is a common noun, Tuffy is a proper noun. Always remember children, all of the proper nouns start with the capital letter. You must have seen this. And all of the common nouns start with the lowercase letter, means small letters. So children, how can you tell if a word is a common noun or a proper noun? So let's understand this through some example. In this sentence, we have both proper noun and common noun. Sentence is Rahul is a boy. So children, Rahul is a name of a particular person. So it is a proper noun, whereas boy is a name of a person in general. So it is a common noun. Piku is the name of my parrot. In this sentence, we have both a proper noun or a common noun. So children, Piku is the name of a particular bird. So it is a proper noun. And parrot is a name of a bird in general. So it is a common noun. Now let's do some more practice. Here sentence is I am going to a city. So children, do you know which city I am talking about? No. But if I say that I am going to London, now you will know that which city I am talking about. So city is a common noun and the name of a city, that London is a proper noun. If I say that I am going to give the chocolate to a girl. Do you know which girl I am talking about? No. But if I say I am going to give the chocolate to Riya, now you will know which girl I am talking about. So Riya is the special name given to the girl. So the special name is proper noun. So Riya is a proper noun and girl is a common noun. So now we'll do practice of common noun and proper noun in English notebook. Now open your English notebook. So write today's date, day and classwork and give the heading naming words, nouns. As we have discussed definitions, so you have to write this page in English notebook. There are 3 pages, children. Definition, then types of nouns, then underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in the following sentences. So you have to do this work in English notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.